Uh-oh. Now it looks like we're breaking stuff. So we're jumping wires in. This is all sealed coming down. And yes, I'm sitting on the floor. He said, yes, yes, my hair is aflame. So, 1 screw. 2 screws. Push and push. This puppy pops down. I want to get this guy out of my way. I want to get these guys out of my way. And this just pulls straight out after that. Just pull. Alright, clip, clip, clip. And this guy gets squeezed in and pushed backwards. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Nah. Maybe in my younger days when I was 23. Told you, gotta get these tools. In here, in there, these little guys squeeze and OBD pops out. This, I just brutally forced and pulled it out. You can go on the other side and squeeze it, but whatever. Brute force is always fun. Now, this guy squeezed and pulled out, and you can get this guy out by pulling this guy out. Do you have to do this? You can skip this part if you want to fight your way around it. But I'll show you how to remove it. It is a locking mechanism, and it is on this side. You see it's a cable. That little notch pulls out, and voila. Get out of my way. Get out of my way, stool. Now, this puppy, also remove. This you can just leave. That we want the fuse panel because we're going to do it just the way you would do it. So, pop this puppy down. Now, let's see which one of these guys is going to hook me up. So I did the homework. This whole row, right there, pick whatever one you want. Turns on and off with the car. This top row, all hot. Pick whatever one you want. Some are accessory. I think these 2 are accessory, meaning 1 click of the key, and most of them are ignition. So I'm going to go to the furthest one, first one, and last one. Or first one and last one, whichever way you want to look at it. That's what I'm going to do. That is what you want to pull out. That's what you want to put in. And they give it to you. Nice. So we're going to pop this guy in, the 10, in next door with this guy. And we're going to pop him in alongside the other one. So let's do this because it's kind of difficult with one hand. And keep moving forward. And that is what you want to see. I'm just doing it so you make sure the connection is there. See, it's ground. That means when the key turns on, it's going to go up 12 volts. And that is your red wire accessory. And the other one is sitting right in front of me. So first and last. We're going to make sure this puppy works. Do not touch metal with this. No. You see? We got 12 volts. So that means fuse is back in line. That's good. And that guy puppy's plugged in. That's good. Now let's get ground, and I'm going to turn this puppy on. This one, 10 mil right there on a drill or ratchet, doesn't really matter. Look, they even give you a hook. Hook it behind, screw it in, and do it with 2 hands. Look, it's speaking to us. Why is that? Eastern time. I don't know. I got to do this later. But like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.